Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the BANG Olufsen speaker, Beosound A1 third generation, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily pair it with your Windows PC or laptop. So, at first you have to navigate to the Windows button at the bottom of your screen and right click it. Here, settings with the left click. Now Bluetooth and devices. Here at device. Here click Bluetooth and now find the front of your speaker here and hold this Bluetooth button. Now we are in pairing mode. Now we have to click show all devices to make sure that we won't miss our speaker. Wait a moment. Here we have Beosound A1 third generation. We have to click this device to pair. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.